So we go to lesson 1 there. We start with the Lord's Supper, so that we can go to the Passover meal like that, and then we experience the Passion. We continue reading. We go to Luke chapter 22 from verse 7 to 23. So who was the next person to read?
So Jesus sent Peter and John, saying, Go and prepare the Passover for us, that we may eat it.
They said to him, Where will you have us prepare this?
He said to them, Behold, when you have entered the city, a man carrying a jar of water will meet you. Follow him into the house which he enters. And tell the house owner, the teacher says to you, Where is the room where I am going? I am to eat the Passover with my disciples. And he will show you the large upper room furnished. There make ready.
And they went and found it as he had told them, and they prepared the Passover.
And when the hour came, he sat at table, and the apostles with him.
And he said to them, I have earnestly desired to hear this Passover with you before I serve.
For I tell you, I shall not eat it until it is fulfilled in the kingdom of God.
And when he had given thanks, he said, Take this, and divide it among yourselves.
For I tell you that from now on I shall not drink of the fruit of the vine until the kingdom of God comes.
Then
And he took bread, and when he had given thanks, he broke it and gave it to them, saying, This is my body which is given for you. Do this in remembrance of me.
In the same way, he gave them the cup after the supper, saying, This cup is God's new covenant sealed with my blood, which is poured out of you.
Can we use the other Bible? So the next person to read using verse 20.
And likewise, the cup after supper, saying, This cup which is poured out for you is the new covenant in my blood.
And beyond the hand of him who betrays me is with me on the table.
Thank you.